Here AB is a beam, length is 4L. The beam or rod supported at A as hinge support and other end B hang by chain. Question is, find the reaction at A and B. For this example, better to draw the free body diagram of AB, the rod AB. This is a free body diagram of AB. The chain should be the tension, chain, tension. This is a hinge support. A is a hinge support. Therefore, there is no moment, only two forces. For 2D analysis, two forces. 3D analysis, three forces. Here, 2D analysis, two forces have. There are no moment. There are so many ways to solve this problem. Easiest way, take moment about A to AB rod, not whole system, AB rod. Take moment about A to AB rod. Okay, we consider clockwise positive or anti-clockwise. Consider clockwise positive about A. P into L in T have two part. This part T cos 30, this part T sin 30. Here, T sin 30T. Therefore, minus, because that is T sin 30, the anti-clockwise here, T sin 30 into 4L. This distance 4L, AB distance 4L is equal to 0. We can eliminate the L because 0 have sin theta half, sin 30 half equal to 0. Therefore, T is equal to P by 2. The first answer. Question is, find the reaction at A and B, that is T A by AX. Then for equilibrium, summation of all vertical forces is equal to 0 for equilibrium. AY minus P plus T sin 30 equal to 0. AY minus P plus T is equal to P by 2. Again, sin 30 half equal to 0. Therefore, AY is equal to P minus P by 4 equal to 3P over 4. AY is equal to 3P over 4. Same way, horizontal forces, summation of horizontal forces is equal to 0. AX, then the T cos 30 is equal to 0. AX is equal to T is equal to P by 2. T is equal to P by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. The answer is root 3 P by 4. Thank you.